Use a 5mm hex key to remove two screws that fix the disc brake mount. Remove the disc brake mount. Use a 2.5mm hex key to remove the brake cable clip. Use a 2.5mm hex key to remove the screws that fix the forehead bottom plate. Pull out the hub. Disconnect the left brake lever terminal. Remove two wire clips. Use a 2.5mm hex key to loosen the fixing screw of the left switch. Use a 4mm hex key to remove two screws that fix the left brake lever. Remove the brake lever. Install the left brake lever. Pre-tighten the two fixing screws first. Adjust the brake lever to an appropriate position. Tighten the two screws. Position the left switch closely against the brake lever. Make the raised part of the brake lever snap into the groove of the button. Tighten the fixing screws. Insert the brake lever terminal back vertically. Push the hub back into the handlebar stem. Reinstall the forehead bottom plate. Adjust the front light to the highest position. Screw in the fixing screws. Adjust the headlight to an appropriate position. Install the two wire clips back as shown in the video. Install washers on the disc brake caliper mounting bolts as shown in the video. Thread the brake cable through the inside of the fender bracket. Install the adapter with the larger end facing upwards on the disc brake caliper mount. Insert the screw. Pre-tighten the two screws first. Squeeze the front brake lever. Then tighten the screws. Ensure there is no brake rubbing and the braking is effective. Put the brake cable into the front fork slot. Install the buckle. Tighten the screw.